Good afternoon, Tigers. Welcome to the 2021 Sweetheart Crowning Ceremony. Student Council has had a successful Spirit Week this February. Congratulations to the junior class for winning hallway decorations. The seniors came in second, the sophomores came in third, and the freshmen came in last. The Spirit Day competition results will be announced next week. This year, due to social distancing guidelines, a TikTok class challenge has been offered in place of our usual class dances. Seniors took first place, with juniors following, freshmen in third, and sophomores in last. Check out the BVHS class dance hashtag on TikTok to view all of those. Today, we'll be introducing and crowning our Sweetheart Royalty Court. From the junior class, we have 2 attendants. From the senior class, we have 5 nominees for Sweetheart Queen and 4 nominees for Sweetheart King. Our first junior attendant is Sophie Deviney. Sophie is the daughter of Brian and Jeannie Deviney. In school, Sophie is a member of the girls' basketball team, Tiger TV, a Tiger mentor, and vice president of Wigs Out. Outside of school, Sophie is involved in sand volleyball, basketball. Her interest lies in film, and she plans to pursue this area in college. Sophie is escorted by her other junior attendant, William Kramer. William is the son of Brooke and Joseph Kramer. In school, William is involved in DECA, BPA, Science National Honor Society, and is a member of the track and field team. Outside of school, William can be found working at Spin Pizza. Our first Sweetheart Queen nominee is Lauren Rhodes. Lauren is the daughter of Kathy and Rocky Rhodes. In school, Lauren is Vice President of Student Council, a member of the K Club, National Honor Society, and a Science National Honor Society, as well as a track athlete. In her free time, Lauren works at Red Door Grill and is a part-time nanny and is an active Relay for Life participant. Rhodes enjoys photography and has been awarded several honorable mentions and a gold key in the Scholastic Art Competition. Lauren is escorted by Matthew Greenfield. Our first Sweetheart King nominee is Matthew Greenfield. Matthew is the son of Lori and Michael Greenfield. In school, Matt is president of the Jewish Student Union, president of Science Outreach, National Honor Society, president of Sources of Strength, and is an athlete on the tennis and soccer team. Outside of school, Matthew plays rec basketball, soccer, and Jackman disc golf. Matt claims to be a superb ping pong player as well. Our second Sweetheart Queen nominee is Caroline Keitel. Caroline is the daughter of Laura and Werner Keitel. In school, Keitel is an active member of the Student Council, DECA, BPA, choir, and is on the National Honor Society Executive Council. Caroline volunteers at Kids Corps as a Sunday school teacher and works at Fortune Walk as a hostess. Caroline is escorted by Mark Havens. Mark Havens is the son of John and Lisa Havens. Mark was an athlete on the football team for the school and works at Paradise Bay Car Wash. Outside of school, Havens enjoys spending time with his friends and playing the drums. Our third Sweetheart Queen nominee is Olivia Stiggy. Unfortunately, Olivia was unable to make it to today's ceremony. Olivia is the daughter of Laura and Mike Hutton. In school, Olivia is a member of the National Honor Society, Yearbook, Environmental Club, and she plays varsity soccer. She also serves as a volunteer at the Church of the Resurrection and plays club soccer for kids at Rush Academy. Olivia is escorted by Jake Holthusen. Jake is the son of Brad and Kristen Holthusen. In school, Jake is a respected athlete on the football team. Outside of school, Jake spends his time as a member of the Young Life and working at I Am Cafe. Jake enjoys spending time with his friends and is a well-known and avid bird watcher. Our fourth Sweetheart Queen nominee is Hannah Hayden. Hannah is the daughter of Bobby and Bill Hayden. In school, Hannah is a Tiger mentor, a member of DECA, and president of the Science National Honor Society. Outside of school, Hayden spends her time both working at Lifetime Fitness and working out. Hannah attended DECA Nationals and is currently working on her CNA certification through CAPS. Hannah is escorted by Luke Johnson. Luke Johnson is the son of Jeff and Mindy Johnson. In school, Luke is involved as a leader for the Fellowship of Christian Athletes, a Tiger mentor, a member of National Honor Society, and a baseball player. Outside of school, Johnson plays baseball for Building Champions and attends Grace Church. Our final Sweetheart Queen nominee is Jillian Dobling. Jillian is the daughter of Dan and Teresa Dobling. In school, Jillian is involved in advanced rep theater, drama club, head rush, classy ladies, choir, and treasurer of the Latin Club. She is a member of Tri-M Honor Society, National Latin Honor Society, and Thespian Honor Society. Outside of school, Jillian works at Spin Pizza and enjoys filmmaking and writing. And that is all of your candidates for the 2021 Sweethearts. congratulations to our 2021 Sweetheart Royalty Court. We know how hard this year has been, and we thank you all for being flexible with the changes we've had to make to ensure the success of this ceremony. We will now be announcing this year's Sweetheart King and Queen. Okay, starting with our king, our 2021 Sweetheart King is Jake Holthusen. And now, our 2021 Sweetheart Queen is Olivia Stiggy. However, due to circumstances, Olivia could not make the ceremony today. She'll receive her crown at a later date. Congratulations to all of our candidates. Thank you all for coming. You guys are welcome to all get pictures together. Make sure you keep your masks on, but you guys can get close for one big group picture and Jake with your parents.